What are the best schools in Hamilton, Ontario, and where are they located? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 public elementary schools, Catholic elementary schools, and high schools located within Hamilton's borders. And these are all based off of the Fraser Institute rankings, which takes how well these schools performed in the Ontario Standardized Test and puts it into an index, giving you the ability to compare schools based on the academic performance. Now, to give you a bit of context for the Fraser Institute rankings, anything above a score of 6 is considered above average. And if you're interested in learning what areas have the best schools within Hamilton, make sure you keep watching to the end, as based off of these rankings, I've compiled the best areas based off of the Fraser Institute rankings. Now, when you're comparing schools, of course, it's not just about the academic performance, but other factors as well. So I'd still highly encourage you to reach out to any parents or anyone else that's involved with the school to get a more complete picture. But if you're new here, my name is Matthew. I'm a local realtor, and this is my channel where I share everything about what it's like living in Hamilton and the surrounding cities. So if you're interested in moving here, feel free to send me a message. Otherwise, let's just jump on into it to the top public elementary schools. And the #1 rated public elementary school was Mountain View Junior Public School with a score of 9, which is actually the best score in all of Hamilton for elementary schools. And this is located in the Mountain View neighborhood on the mountain and offers grades from JK to grade 6. Then the second place public elementary school is Sir William Osler Public Elementary School with a solid score of 7.5, located in Dundas, offering grades from JK to grade 8. Then in third place, you have Frank Panabaker North School with a score of 7.4, which is located in Ancaster and offers grades from JK to grade 6. Then in fourth place, you have Spring Valley Elementary School with a score of 7, also located in Ancaster. Now, this school at the time of these scores was C.H. Bray School. However, since these scores have been released, they have built a state-of-the-art new school, calling it the Spring Valley Elementary School. Then the fifth public elementary school is Gatestone Public Elementary School with a score of 6.7, located in Stony Creek, and also offers that grade 8 to JK programs with both English and French. So now let's chat about the Catholic elementary schools. And the #1 place is St. Teresa Eva Valley Catholic Elementary School with a score of 8.5, also located in that Mountain View neighborhood up on the mountain. Then the second place school is St. Anne Catholic Elementary School with an 8.3, located in Ancaster, as there's actually 2 St. Anne Catholic Elementary Schools. This one here has a long history dating back to 1953, established in Ancaster, and offers grades from PK all the way up to grade 8. Then in third place, there's actually a 3-way tie. First, you'll have St. Martin of Tours Catholic Elementary School located in Stony Creek. You have St. Augustine's Catholic Elementary School located in Dundas. And then you have Guardian Angels Catholic Elementary School located in Waterdam. So those were the top 5 best Catholic elementary schools. Now let's graduate and move on to high schools. And the #1 rated high school is located in Ancaster and is Bishop Thomas Catholic High School with a score of 7.6. Then in second place, you have Orchard Park Public High School with a score of 7.1, located in Stony Creek. And then in third place, located on the mountain, you have Westmount Public High School with a score of 7.3. Then in fourth place, you have Ancaster Public High School with a score of 7.1, and as the name implies, is located in Ancaster. And then in a tie for fifth place with both scores at 6.8, you have St. Mary's Catholic High School as well as Westdale Public High School, both of which are located on the west side of Hamilton, both just a short walk away from McMaster University, which actually brings me on to my next quick category, which are the post-secondary schools offered in Hamilton. And there's 2 main ones. First, you have McMaster University, which consistently ranks in the top 100 of best universities in the world. Currently, its rank is 80th, and it's in the top 4 for best in Canada. And as you can see here, that's just the start of it, as there's so many different awards and rankings to list list in this video here. But other than the great academic culture McMaster offers, it has an amazing culture. And from my personal experience of going to McMaster University for 5 years, I can tell you I had an absolute pleasure. So if you have any questions about McMaster, feel free to send me a message. But the other major post-secondary school in Hamilton is Mohawk College, and which also has its own impressive ranks in its own, as it was rated the 85th best college in all of Canada and was ranked among the 10 best in Ontario for applied sciences. So both great options for your kids to get a good post-secondary education. Now let's chat about the different regions and how they stack up based off of these school rankings. So I just made a quick index of my own based off of the Fraser Institute rankings. The higher the school was rated, the more points it was awarded. And the number one region that had the most amount of points was Ancaster, as this had just the sheer amount of schools ranking the highest among it, as well as it's just a short drive away from McMaster University. Then the second place area would be the Mountain, especially in the neighborhood Mountain View, as this was home to the number one rated public elementary school, as well as the number one rated Catholic elementary school, and had a strong high school contender as well. Then in third place was Stony Creek, as it also had some top ranking schools in each of the categories, making it another perfect option for families to enjoy. And it also is just a short drive away from Brock University out in St. Catharines. Then in fourth place was Dundas, offering the second place public elementary school, so another great option. And then the fifth place, based off of the Fraser Institute rankings, was Waterdown. So if you're thinking about moving to Hamilton and want to learn a bit more about each one of these different regions here, the next video I'd recommend you go check out is me breaking down these areas from most expensive to most affordable, so you understand the real estate in these areas here. So you can go check out that video right here. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you off in the next video.